pretty. I love the color. Oh, we're home. Finally. I know y'all are anxious to go in. We hope that this is more than you could have imagined, and we really appreciate your trust in us.
Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is gorgeous.
This is like nothing I thought it would be.
Love it. This is awesome. Show me more.
Nothing more.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh, that backsplash is perfect.
It was.
Oh, the island color is, couldn't be better.
You know how long it's been since I've gotten flowers? No.
Thank y'all so much. Oh man. Oh, that wall, that color's perfect. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
They're crazy.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna get in with them.
How cool is that tile?
I did good, didn't I?
I wanted it in my house and she wouldn't let me. She said we can't do it twice. I'm
Why
like,
not?
are you kidding me?
Oh my goodness. Oh wow, look at that towel. Oh man, this is so awesome. It couldn't be more perfect. We just want to thank HillCo. Tracy and Bill have been awesome. We couldn't have come out better. They've given us everything that we could ever have imagined and more. And look forward to living life here in our new house.